The Sarah Spano PTA Clothing Bank is an organization that provides gently used clothing and a few new items to students who need those services within the Muskogee County School District. We see children from approximately age 4 all the way through high school. We serve sizes from 4T all the way up to XXX for men and plus sizes for women. And we see approximately 800 to 900 students a year. We receive gently used clothing donations from schools and organizations and individuals, and for some items we're able to wash and dry. We have a washer and dryer. We also receive monetary donations that we use to buy new socks, new underwear, and 1 new pair of shoes per child. Each child that comes in, if they're not a uniform school, they get 5 shirts and 3 pairs of pants, 3 pair of underwear. If it's a young woman, then she'll get a sports bra. We give out t-shirts. We give a new pair of shoes, and we have recycled shoes. We also take pajamas and other clothing items that if we're not real busy, we can work that out. Or if there's a house fire and a child has lost everything, then we're able to help them a little more. We also give them a coat and a light jacket, gloves, hat, you know, that sort of thing. Sarah Spano started the clothing bank over 50 years ago when she saw the need of students in the schools that were coming to school inadequately clothed. And so it was a crusade of hers, and it was named for her. And we try to carry out that same mission today. The children are treated like they're coming to a store and that they shop. We give them a bag with their name on it, and they get to pick out the clothing that they want to try on, and we let them see themselves in the mirror and that sort of thing. For middle school and high school kids, a lot has to do with their self-esteem. We try to put clothing on them that that will make them fit in at school, that they'll be like their peers, and while they're also appropriately dressed. We also serve schools that have uniforms, and if they come to us from a uniform school, they get 1 complete school uniform. We wish we could do more, but we just don't have enough clothing items to do more than 1 school uniform. But they get that shirt and pair of pants for their uniform in addition to the other clothing that we provide for other students. We do get a lot of satisfaction from seeing the children, when they get to put on some clothes that they really like, or that special Spider-Man shirt that they've been wanting, or that Auburn or Alabama t-shirt that little kid likes. It's funny that no matter how great the need, they like the clothes that they like, and they're gonna only wear what they like, and so we try to provide that. Most of our clothing is name brand clothing. Aeropostale, Abercrombie & Fitch, Old Navy, Gap, those kinds of clothes that we get from our donations. So the children do fit in where they go to school. For me, it's not only that we're meeting that need for that child, but it's helping that child know that somebody cares about them, and that somebody cares that they have a good pair of shoes, or that they have on gloves when they're standing at the bus stop in the morning, and that sort of thing. And hopefully that carries over into their lives, as they grow older. We are just really pleased at the Sarah Spano Clothing Bank that St. Paul has chosen us. We are serving a big need in Columbus, and we invite the members to come from St. Paul to help us some days. The volunteers are always needed at the clothing bank, and we just thank you so much that St. Paul is paying attention to the community, and we invite you to come out and join us. And if you can't, then donate clothing or just pray for us. We value those prayers too. Thank you very much.